looks like a silver waterfall, but in a few minutes, every can will hold a precise hit of fizz, flavor, and caffeine.
Before anything edible runs through steel, the line gets sanitized. Clean equipment is the first ingredient. It starts with water so clean it's consistent. Filters and reverse osmosis strip out variables that ruin taste.
Next come the building blocks, sweeteners, acids, flavors, and caffeine, staged and handled like lab materials.
Sugar becomes syrup, dissolved under controlled heat and mixing so it's smooth, not gritty.
Here's the kick. Caffeine and vitamins are microdosed because tiny errors here turn into huge differences in every can.
Everything blends into a single base. One taste, one strength, one texture. Batch after batch.
Quality control checks the numbers. Sweetness and acidity have to land exactly, or the whole profile shifts.
Then it's filtered, polished clean so the drink stays stable and pours the same every time. A deaerator pulls out oxygen. Less air means better flavor, and it helps the fizz behave. Now carbonation. Cold liquid meets COCC, and those fine bubbles are what make the drink snap. While the drink gets ready, empty cans pour in by the thousand. Uniform, lightweight, and fast. Every can is rinsed inside because the cleanest drink can still be ruined by one dusty container. Watch the filler, dozens of pours at once, each hitting the same level like choreography. Lids drop, rollers seal, and in a split second, each can becomes pressure tight. They test the seam up close because one imperfect seal can leak, flatten the fizz, or spoil a batch. A tunnel pass stabilizes the product. Controlled temperature steps help lock in shelf life. Then they cool and dry fast, so the line stays clean and the cans don't skid or dent downstream. Sensors watch everything: fill level, dents, alignment, and anything off gets rejected instantly. A time code goes on for traceability, important for the factory, invisible for everyone else. Now it's packaged, grouped, guided, and cartoned so the cans stay tight without getting scuffed. Robots build perfect pallets, repeatable, fast, and surprisingly delicate for something this heavy. From purified water to sealed cans in minutes, ready to ship. And yeah, that's the caffeine talking, so pace yourself.